They now hold no mates. Deal and machete and knife. Man then get stabbed up and got stick to the breast. That's a youth. Look at youth and now hold no mates, dog. What's all I said? See that? Them thing them when them walk with a school better. What's it? One for them, you know? Have a youth down in the hospital a while again. People are rush a good and yes, because one next gang gone, I say again people. People and we are here.
Police say I brutalize the pitney them. Why try them to lick up the pitney them? Watch her. Watch her. How bad up the little pitney them? Them some of their wickedness now. Where you go with the little boy? Where you go with the little boy?
Alright, so we get your license plate number. Don't worry about yourself. We get everything.
Oh, this so wicked, man. So wicked.
When Mr. White roll on and go with pure bullshit. Nobody not live here. The bathroom not finish. Up there so my mother stay only more while my mother day here so. So one of they say it's free. You have to be free, me and ask for a warrant all now, you can't show me a warrant. Me I ask for it before I do her bus off and him a tell me foolish, him can't bus off it without the warrant. That's a foolish bullshit. When I go on people don't know their rights. Me no come about no argument, but a foolish you know do. Foolish. Me up there start talk to him, me say good morning, show me a warrant. Him have a warrant in a vehicle, but he might do whatever, dig off the door then show me. That makes sense? Me glad when me I talk to me have your part of the tape you.
So you're married? So she don't want to say no, like no, they get. So only for man clothes and sit there. That's really good. Go on to the inspector.
Go on, I'm lucky door.
Do you have key here?
He asked me and I tell him yes. And he still telling us to friggin' dig off the door. Me tell him say me have it and he still telling us if he dig off the door. He come make me know he still can't dig off the door when he not show me warrant. Like people stupid. We don't have no right to do what we do. No right. And I must feel say people are fool. First people have to disrespect on more while.
Book genuine youth, the dog fuck up the whole life stop flight charging. Look like the dog just asked me when you crash. Oh, you go. Book genuine dog. You go over there.
I'm on. Eat that. Just at my junction away like that. Just at right at extant. Two of them funny. See that? See that? Very bad. See it. Very care.
They must say one school youth dead and one get stabbed up and they in a hospital. Boy, I don't know what to them school youth, you know. Yeah, man. Because what they see one of them drape up a police like him want to box the police or thump him down. And that's what I say. And see the school youth them here, where they must say a war. And them a walk with big lass and them thing there. So me say, ratchet and all of them thing there. Them look youth here go to school, you know. I be a badness them a push in a car. And for them would have come from some ghetto area. And the lifestyle where them a live. So me say, see last day in the police and them last day them a walk with chop off head and chop off hand. And last day touch you, you know, man. The skin open up, you know, so I just tell you. This is what me say. Them look youth and I know where them a pray. I like how the police them kind of did up on the scene quick and active. You see what I say? I like how the people them call the police them and make them know say yo, and them thing are going over the bus park out of Tree big bus park. You see what I say? Yeah man, so I can't believe say the look youth them a be a violence them a push. Cause them look youth nowadays, you know, as what I done in that telling you in my first video, you know. If you talk to them too hard, them a tell you say, yo, I want to feel a man a little boy, you can't take them for eat that. And them thing, the friends start burn up this weed and them start, you know, drink up them special and feel like say them a hold 1 and 2 gun or them a link with 2 little youth where them family bother them good have strap. I be a badness, I can know them start go up and I do them thing and I angle gun and I push badness, you know, and them start back chat to you, see what I say? So all I look at you them out there, I tell you no, badness it not pay. When I say if somebody play with you or try for hurt you, you know, I not say you can't push violence because you have a thing when you art a war where somebody a try fight you or a try for hurt you or stab at you, you have to try defend yourself. You understand what I say? Yeah. Don't run like you're an idiot. You see any run you run, I must a weapon you try go get. You understand? Yeah, that name art a war. But sometimes certain situation how it happen, all depends. And people catch up on them thing there. And you see say yo you can walk it out. Yeah man, sometimes you walk it out man. Sometimes you left them to time man. You understand what I say? School youth. I tell you now, it's real out here. When you know out school, I work when I come work and try better on the life and set something on the system right now. I get rougher and rougher and madder and madder. And enough of who no back in ideas and I like say, who no a fire gun and I do certain things and get involved in enough little things. Nowadays badness, me I tell you now, we not for tough. Una for tough. If you say una go out school and come out in this world and push badness, una fear walk with knapsack a clip, knapsack a shot, or so una fear roll. To them police and laugh you don't know. Me I tell you no. Cause police train for do them work, train for deal with crime, gunman and robbing and thief and them little thing they understand. So when them come out fully equipped. And them can call for backup. So you know what you do. You know old school, you come try get a work. Try help your mother, help your father, help your sister, help your family, man. Understand me and say? Try come better on your life, try have a business.